Over the past few years, I have participated in many cryptocurrency airdrops. And if you are like me, you've probably noticed that most of them end in disappointment. Many projects promise rewards that either never came or never come or turn out to be worthless tokens. That's why I've decided not to start any new airdrops for now, and I want to advise others to think carefully before spending their time and energy on them too. At first, airdrops seemed like golden opportunities. We all had the success stories, like the Uniswap airdrop in 2020, where early users received 400 tokens worth over $1,200. At the time, and later much more, the Arbitrum airdrop in 2023 also made headlines, giving legitimate value to loyal users. But let's be honest, for every success story, there are hundreds of airdrops that go nowhere. Many projects today use airdrops just as marketing stunts, collecting users' data or engagement without rewarding them fairly. In 2023 and 2024, I noticed a troubling trend. More airdrops asking participants to perform endless social media tasks, complete KYC forms, and even link wallets to suspicious platforms. Some of these projects, like Core DAO, Pi Network, and Starknet, have left people waiting endlessly for promised tokens or facing withdrawal restrictions. Beyond wasting time, some of these so-called airdrops can even expose your personal information and wallets to risk. That's why I've chosen to take a break until the end of the year and watch how things unfold. I believe it's better to focus on learning, real investing, or identifying projects with genuine use cases. The truth is, not every shining new crypto project will become the next Uniswap or Arbitrum. By being selective and patient, we protect our time, our data, and our peace of mind. So if you've been feeling frustrated by endless unfulfilled airdrops, don't feel bad about stepping back. Sometimes the smartest move in crypto isn't chasing every opportunity. It's knowing when to pause and plan. Let's choose wisdom over hype. At the end of the year, we can reassess and decide if the airdrop landscape has truly evolved or if our energy is better spent elsewhere. So what I want us to do now is continue with the airdrop we are currently doing, and then by the end of the year or thereabout, we can reassess and know if we should start a new one or we should not. So in the meantime, I will not introduce any new airdrops to us again, and I will not take part in any new one. I will just work on the ones at our hand now and see how they go. Then at the end of the day, we are going to see what is going to happen. Remember, we did Toe Market, we did Rocky Rabbit, we did Answer Combat, we did Doggy, we did Cat, we did Major paid me well. That's the only one that I actually enjoyed more. And then we have a lot of them that did not do well, and in fact took money from us. So let's be careful and let's take a break from crypto airdrop. Don't start any new one, and then you can start on your own. But as for me, I am taking a break and I will not introduce any new one to us. So let's focus on all the ones we are doing now, and then we'll be wondering, so what do we do? What are we going to do to make money? Let's move into forex trading, as I have been showing you how to trade forex in my videos in recent time. Come along and you are going to be glad you did. I'll see you in the next one.